Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope you will be fine. This is Oxford Social Studies for Class 2. Come to the page number 53. Today we are going to start unit number 6 and the title of the unit is The World of Maps and chapter number 2 Directions. Directions. First of all, mention date and day on the top of the page. Now let's start reading. Directions. It is easy for us to find a place if we know the directions. There are 4 main directions that tell us where everything or every place is. They are north, south, east, and west. If you know one direction, it is easy to work out the others. Actually, directions are points in different places. In order to find a place, we must know in which direction of us it lies. Most commonly, 4 directions are used to locate a place: north, south, east, and west. And these 4 directions are called cardinal directions. And if we know one direction, it is very easy to find out the others. Next, the sun rises in the east. If we stand with our arms stretched out and face east, west will be behind us. Our left arm will be pointing to the north and our right arm to the south. As you can see in this picture, a girl is facing the rising sun with arms stretched out. Now we will use the location of the sun to determine the different directions. As you all know that sun rises in the east, so the girl is facing east and west is behind her and her left arm is pointing to the north and her right arm is pointing to the south. Next, the 4 main directions are called the cardinal directions. Let's look at the map of Lena and Zad's neighborhood park again. We have added a small sign that shows directions. It is called a compass rose. Every map has a compass rose. It looks like this. So these 4 directions are called cardinal directions. Now let's have a look on Lena and Zad's neighborhood park. That is on next page. So turn to page number 54. As you can see in this picture, a compass rose is added in the picture that is showing directions of different things. Next, by using the compass rose, you know that the bench is in the north. Can you tell in which direction the following things are? Tree 1, and you can see in this picture, tree 1 is in the west. Next, flower bed, and you can see flower bed is in the east. And bench 2, you can see in this picture, bench number 2 is in the south. Next, what did you learn? Answer the questions in your notebook. Question number 1 is, what are the cardinal directions? And the answer is, the 4 main directions are called cardinal directions. They are north, south, east, and west. Question number 2 is, If you are facing north, what direction would be to your A. left, B. right, and C. behind you? And the answer is, if facing north, left would be towards west, right would be towards east, and south would be behind. And the last question is, how does a compass rose help us? And the answer is, compass rose helps us in finding directions. Come to the next page, that is page number 55. My page. In the space below, draw a simple map of your room. Now in this page, you have to draw map of your own room. That's it for today's class. I hope you have understood the lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.